tonight at Big D's American Saloon for a Motorcycle Minute.
This is a 2007 Yamaha Roadstar 1700. Basically a stock frame that's been modified, stretched, chopped, and I saw the bike and I had my truck and I've got to have this bike, so I traded my truck straight even for it. It's long, it's low, it's loud, it's black and chrome will never go out of style, and it's just pretty. I ride it every day. I ride it to work. I actually leave my truck at work and ride this back and forth to work, and wherever the road's gonna go, that's where I'm gonna go with it. It's a solid bike, it's simple, it's comfortable, no bells and whistles. It is what it is. It's just a pretty bike.